This is an activation of the emergency alert system on our south central Kansas WX.
National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a flash flood warning for central Buchanan County in southwestern Virginia, southern McDowell County in southern West Virginia, until 11:15 a.m. At 8:15 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Grundy, War, Big Rock, Bradshaw, Jolo, Stacy, Roseann, Hurley, and Cucumber.
This was the activation of the emergency alert system on our south central Kansas WX.